Oh, let's see what just showed up. What is that? I think you got the wrong address. Put. Yep.
You ever had a John Deere?
Nope. So it'll bolt right on, right?
To that corn stalk. It was, when I pulled it out and I saw the corn, it was all just.
I don't know if my tools will work on any of this.
All the corn was just
I'm not sure that my air compressor, I think the air's wrong too. You got to get John Deere air. You got to buy it at the dealer. Costs 4 times as much too. Alright, so no, I haven't lost my mind. This is my buddy's tractor. I think it was his grandpa's and then his dad's, and he bought it from him and got this loader off of a 3010, I believe. And so he brought all this over so that we could use my tractor and stuff to make mounts for it. So once we got everything measured up, we made a mount for the front, and then we could get the front of it sandwiched in the front of the loader there, and then we could take the measurements for the back. And basically once we got everything all fabricable together enough, then he can take it back to his house and kind of finish it up. We just kind of needed it working well enough to load on a trailer and unload back at his house. And he's got the good welder and he's got the time to work on it, so. So we still don't have cylinders on the bucket yet, which is in the works. Got to figure out the geometry and stuff on that and figure out how to mount them. But got it fabricated enough to load it up on a trailer so he can take it home, work on it there. So that's the front kind of saddle that it goes into that we fabricated at a channel. It just happens to fit pretty much right in there. You can see some new welds in there. And on the back there we had some other channel that we fabricated up to use the original mounts off the 3010. Got it gusseted in there and worked out pretty well. Thanks for watching.